Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can build up and optimize your OVR based team in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this video is for beginner only or new to the game and want to optimize or want to join some event that require high OVR team base. And I want to show you how to optimize and make sure you play this game every day to get more players, the best player of your base, and affect your OVR team base. So let's get started by tapping the club, and this is my second account of this game. So I want to show you the beginner, so I make a new account. Tap this my team, and as you can see, this is my team OVR, also your team OVR base 65. You can increase your OVR by get a new player that high OVR base. For example, I have this guy in 65, so if I get a best player or elite gold maybe that have a 70 until 80 OVR base, your team OVR also increase. And also give them best position like this. If you put the central midfield player into right back, this is not correct position for him, your OVR become low or decrease. Let's getting back. And also, as you can see, I have left winger that have 66 and right winger in first team 65. I want to change these guys like this. Left winger. So my OVR team is increased. If you want to quick build up, just tap the auto build, and this is the best team for the best player for the best position. So feel free to try. The more player you get, the more your team is getting increase of your base. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.